Hey Tingers, my name is Natalia, and last week you all decided that I should create another Christmas card. So it looks like this. So it's a pull-up Christmas card with a message inside or a drawing inside. That's totally up to you. It's very easy to create and to decorate, and you really decide if you want to have the Christmas one or maybe the birthday one. Now you decide what I should create next week by voting on the card above. And let's begin. Here's what you need to create this card. The front piece and the back piece should be the same size, but for now, we will only work with the front piece. Now I'm just gonna turn this front piece around so you can see the lines better. Now take your ruler and then measure 2 centimeters inwards from each side. And then connect all the markings with some lines. Place your ruler inside this rectangle and then find the middle from this and this corner and then make a mark. And also measure 1 centimeter inwards from one of the corners and do this on the opposite side as well, and then make lines across. We need to cut these 3 sides open, so take your box cutter and use your ruler as a guide and then cut them open. We need to bend these 3 lines here, so take your ruler, place it right on top of the line and then bend the paper over it. And refold everything to make all of the lines more obvious. Take this bottom fold here and then bend it the other way. This is to make sure that the sliding function works correctly. Take the front piece and place it on the back piece and then just bend the sliding part away. Make sure that these 2 parts are perfectly aligned before sketching a route inside of it. There is a limit and a breaking point for this sliding part, so take a ruler and then measure 4 centimeters from the top of the sliding part to the bottom of it. And draw a line from where the bottom meets the back piece. This area here is where your drawing or your message is limited to. Take the front piece and then place it on some construction paper with the color of your choice. You can make the sliding part by measuring the rectangle inside of the front piece, or you can just align the 2 corners and then sketch around it. Ain't nobody got time for all those measurements. Add 5 centimeters extra to the rectangle to make the pulling part and then cut it out. We need to attach the bottom fold of the front piece to the sliding part, so put some glue on it and then glue them together. Make sure that they are aligned before pressing down to make them stick properly. And now the sliding part is working correctly. Now we need to decorate the back piece, the front piece and the sliding part. So think about the theme you're going for before writing or drawing anything in the cards. You can also add poetry or pictures with a telling story. You can even add stickers like I'm doing here, just to add a bit extra to make it more fabulous. When you're done decorating all the parts, we need to attach them together. So add foam stickers around 3 of the sides on the back piece. Don't add anything on the top, otherwise the sliding motion just won't work. If you have any pencil markings, erase them before attaching the front piece. Remove the safety papers from the foam stickers, then attach the front piece right on top. Make sure that everything is aligned before pressing down to make it stick properly. Test the card out to see if it works and if there's anything you need to correct or add. If not, it's ready to be given away. There are so many ways of decorating this card. Just let your imagination loose and get creative. Now for the random question of the day, what song would you pay money to never hear again? For me, it's the We Speak No Americano. I just absolutely hate that song. It annoys the out of me. Songs like these that are just copy-pasted words, it just annoys me. I would pay big money to never hear it again. But I would love to know what kind of song you would pay to never ever hear again. Now I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for more inspiration or more card DIYs, check out these videos here. And I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!